Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss on important current affairs for today. Subscribe to the channel if the information is helpful. At the end of the video we will revise all the questions once. Let's start. India signed a loan deal of US dollar 300 million to develop secondary towns of Rajasthan with which international bank recently? Answer is Asian Development Bank. Recently, Asian Development Bank has approved a loan amount of US dollar 300 million to finance the Rajasthan Secondary Towns Development Sector project. Headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Mandaluyong, Manila, Philippines. The loan is for providing inclusive and sustainable water supply and sanitation infrastructure and services in 14 secondary towns of Rajasthan. Also remember, recently Government of India and Asian Development Bank has signed US dollar 500 million loan agreement to build a modern high speed 82 kilometer Delhi Meerut regional rapid transit system corridor. Also, ADB has appointed Takio Konishi as its new country director for India, and before this Samir Kumar Kare has been appointed as the executive director of the Asian Development Bank, and also Ashok Lausa has been appointed as the vice president of Asian Development Bank. Next one is Prime Minister Narendra Modi released autobiography of Dr. Bala Saheb V.K. Patil. What is the title of this autobiography? Answer is Devechwa Karani. The title of his autobiography is Devechwa Karani, which means dedicating one's life for a noble cause. Bala Saheb V.K. Patil was an Indian politician from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Also, he has started Asia's first cooperative sugar factory at Loni in Maharashtra. He received Padma Bhushan in 2010. Along with the release of this autobiography, Pravara Rural Education Society has been renamed as Lokneta Dr. Bala Saheb V.K. Patil Pravara Rural Education Society. Pravara Rural Education Society was established in 1964 at Loni, Maharashtra to provide world class education to the rural masses and empower the girl child. Next one is, which state has announced to have high-tech classrooms and labs in all its public schools recently? Answer is Kerala. Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. He announced that the state will have high-tech classrooms and labs in all its public schools. Kerala is the first state in India to do this. This project will be implemented by the Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education. Also, Kerala was in news recently for becoming the state with highest literacy rate of 96.2% in the country. This report was released by National Statistical Office. Also recently, Kerala's Health Minister K.K. Shailaja has been named as the Top Thinker 2020 by Prospect magazine, and also Kerala has won UN award for prevention and control of non-communicable diseases related sustainable development goals. And recently, the first woman Chief Justice of Kerala, K.K. Usha, passed away. Next one is, which country is in the top rank in Oxfam's commitment to reducing inequality index 2020? Answer is Norway. Norway is the top country in the Oxfam's commitment to reducing inequality index 2020 among 158 countries. Norway is located in Europe, and India's rank in this index is 129. This index was released by Oxfam International in partnership with Development Finance International. Oxfam is an international charitable organization. This index is based on three basic pillars: public services pillar, progressive tax pillar, and workers' rights pillar, and it focused on fighting inequality in the time of COVID-19. It monitors what governments are doing through their policy commitments to reduce inequality and tackle the gap between rich and poor. The lowest ranked country is South Sudan. Next one is, which state has launched a water testing lab on wheels to test water quality? Answer is Haryana. Chief Minister of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar. Recently, he has launched a water testing laboratory van to determine the quality of water. This was launched to provide easy access for water testing in remote locations of the state and also help identify the water quality problems on the spot. This mobile water testing laboratory van is fully equipped with multi-parameter system capable of measuring different water quality parameters and will help in quickly identifying the water quality. This initiative has been launched under the Jal Jeevan Mission for providing tap water connection to every rural household. Remember, under the Jal Jeevan Mission, Ministry of Jal Shakti aims to provide tap water connection to every rural home by 2024. Next one is Ava Murtho took charge as the Prime Minister of which country for one day on the occasion of International Day of the Girl Child? Answer is Finland. Ava Murtho is a 16-year-old girl from small village of Vaksi in southern Finland. She has assumed the charge as the Prime Minister of Finland for one day as part of the UN International Day of Girl Child program Girls Takeover. This is an initiative to raise awareness of gender equality. Prime Minister of Finland is Sanna Marin. She handed over the power to Ava Murtho for one day to serve as the Prime Minister of Finland. Also remember, recently Chaitanya Venkateswaran became the High Commissioner of United Kingdom in India for one day on the occasion of the International Day of the Girl Child. Next one is former Indian player Carlton Chapman passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? Answer is football. Carlton Chapman was former Indian football captain. Chapman played as midfielder for the Indian national team between 1995 and 2001. Under his captaincy, the football club East Bengal won the National Football League in 2001. Next one is International Monetary Fund projected India's GDP to contract by what percent in 2020? Answer is 10.3%. International Monetary Fund has released its latest World Economic Outlook report in which India's GDP is projected as minus 10.3%. Before this, International Monetary Fund has projected India's GDP as minus 4.5%, but due to the rise in COVID cases, it has projected as minus 10.3%, and in the coming year, that is 2021 and 22, it projected India's GDP as 8.8%, which is a positive number. Also remember, IMF has projected world economy to contract by 4.4% in 2020, that is minus 4.4%. Also remember, recently Simanchala Das has been appointed as the advisor to executive director of IMF. IMF was formed in 1945. Its current managing director is Kristalina Georgieva. Its headquarters is in Washington DC, United States. Also remember, chief economist of IMF is Geeta Gopinath. Next one is, what is the theme of 2020 International Day for Disaster Reduction? Answer is disaster risk governance. Remember, the theme for 2020 International Day for Disaster Reduction is disaster risk governance. This day is being observed annually since 1989. This day is observed to promote a global culture of risk awareness and disaster reduction. Next one is, which bank has launched ACE credit card in collaboration with Google Pay and Visa recently? Right answer is Axis Bank. Axis Bank has launched a new entry level credit card named Axis ACE credit card with focus on increasing participation of users in the digital economy. The card has been launched in collaboration with Google Pay and will run on Visa platform. ACE credit card users would get 5% cashback on bill payments, DTH and mobile recharges done through Google Pay. Also remember, recently Axis Bank has collaborated with Vistara to launch a co-branded forex card named Axis Bank Club Vistara Forex Card for international travelers. Axis Bank was founded in 1993. Its MD and CEO is Amitabh Chaudhary and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Now we will revise the questions once. India signed a loan deal of US $300 million to develop secondary towns of Rajasthan with which international bank recently? Asian Development Bank. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released autobiography of Dr. Bala Saheb V.K. Patil. What is the title of this autobiography? De Vichwa Karani. Which state has announced to have high-tech classrooms and labs in all its public schools recently? Kerala. Is in the top rank in Oxfam's commitment to reducing inequality index 2020. Norway. Which state has launched a water testing lab on wheels to test water quality? Haryana. Ava Murtho took charge as the Prime Minister of which country for one day on the occasion of International Day of the Girl Child? Finland. Former Indian player Carlton Chapman passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? Football. International Monetary Fund projected India's GDP to contract by what percent in 2020? 10.3%. What is the theme of 2020 International Day for Disaster Reduction? Disaster Risk Governance. Which bank has launched ACE credit card in collaboration with Google Pay and Visa recently? Axis Bank. These are the important current affairs for today. Thank you.